I've just woken up after this snowstorm and my battery has died. I put the key in and nothing happens. Top of a steep hill and it snowed overnight. So, I mean, I haven't seen a single car come up or down here. I'm gonna try and jump the car and see if I can get out of here. That's a part of van life, living on the road. If I have to hike down and charge up my jump starter, then that's what I have to do. I'm just gonna get out and see if there's any juice in it right now. Yes! Oh, let's go! We got it, let's go!